Are you having trouble locating the fuse box on your 2001 to 2006 GMC Sierra? Wondering which fuse controls what in your car? In this video, we'll break down everything you need to know about the fuse box, its location, fuse diagram, and how to troubleshoot common issues. Stay tuned and let's get started. Passenger compartment fuse box. The passenger compartment fuse box in a 2001 GMC Sierra houses fuses that protect various interior electrical circuits. It controls systems like the interior lights, power windows, radio, and HVAC components. The passenger compartment fuse box in a 2002 GMC Sierra protects and distributes power to interior electrical components. It controls systems such as the radio, interior lighting, power windows, door locks, and HVAC. The passenger compartment fuse box in 2003 and 2004 GMC Sierra models protects interior electrical circuits and manages power distribution. It controls features like interior lights, radio, power seats, windows, door locks, and HVAC systems. The passenger compartment fuse box in 2005 and 2006 GMC Sierra models safeguards interior electrical circuits and distributes power. It controls systems such as the radio, interior lighting, power windows, door locks, seats, and HVAC functions. The center instrument panel utility block in 2001 and 2002, GMC Sierra manages power distribution for various vehicle accessories. It controls systems like airbags, warning chimes, four-wheel drive controls, and other interior electronics. The center instrument panel utility block in 2003 to 2006 GMC Sierra distributes power to multiple interior and accessory systems. It controls components like four-wheel drive, airbags, audio warning chimes, and other dashboard-related electronics. Engine compartment fuse box. The engine compartment fuse box in GMC Sierra 2001 and 2002 manages and safeguards high-current circuits such as the engine control, cooling fans, ABS, and lighting systems. It helps prevent electrical overloads and ensures stable power distribution to key vehicle components. The engine compartment fuse box in GMC Sierra 2003 and 2004 controls and protects major electrical systems, including engine management, cooling fans, fuel system, and lighting circuits. The engine compartment fuse box in GMC Sierra 2005 regulates and safeguards critical systems like the powertrain, ignition, fuel injection, and lighting circuits. It maintains proper electrical flow while protecting components from short circuits and overloads. The engine compartment fuse box in GMC Sierra 2006 manages power distribution to essential systems such as engine control, ignition, fuel delivery, and cooling fans. It protects these circuits from electrical faults, ensuring safe and efficient vehicle operation. The engine compartment auxiliary box in GMC Sierra 2005 and 2006 provides additional circuit protection for secondary electrical components like trailer wiring, auxiliary lighting, or aftermarket accessories. It ensures stable power delivery and prevents overloads in these added systems.
Type of fuses: blade fuse, standard blade fuse, mini blade fuse, maxi blade fuse, micro 2 fuse, micro 3 fuse, J-case fuse. Glass tube fuse, a GC fuse, SFE fuse. Ceramic fuse, Bosch fuse, DIN fuse. PAL fuse, low profile PAL fuse, standard PAL fuse. Link fuse, mega fuse, high amperage, link fuse. Fuse conditions: blown fuse. A blown fuse means it's no longer functioning and needs replacement, while a perfect fuse is in good working condition and performing as expected. How to change fuses: turn off the vehicle, locate the fuse box, identify the faulty fuse, remove the faulty fuse, inspect and obtain a replacement, install the new fuse, test the replacement. Safety precautions: disconnect the battery, wear protective gear, use proper tools, check for correct amperage, avoid water exposure.
If this guide on fuse box location and diagram is helpful, please like and subscribe for more informative videos.
Thanks for watching.